So this is the new Michelin tire.
Right here. X-Line D grip.
X-Line D grip. This is brand new.
Yeah, this is new technology. They worked on it for 8 years. You can get them if you want them with 110 or 120 or 90. You get them at whatever. It's called Crossfire. See that name right there?
Yeah, Crossfire. Yeah.
I never fill my air at truck stop. Only on my own air hose over here.
Oh, you have an air hose?
You got it. You
Can I
have
see?
one of those? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get that one too. Remove that brake line over
Right
there.
here.
Yeah, and disconnect it here.
Yep.
And then you're just
And
gonna
then,
refill
then
it.
you go inside. You push your trailer brake in. You have to push the trailer brake in.
Yeah.
And
So
then,
that
and then what you have to do is take your hand and mash your brakes.
tinuturuan tayo guys. That one. So this is the new Michelin tire.
Right here. X-Line D grip.
X-Line D grip. Yeah.
Yep.
X-Line D grip. This is brand new.
Yeah, this is new technology. They worked on it for 8 years. They just came out with it.
Look at
Supposed to
this.
be really good for snow.
Very good for snow.
Yep.
How long did you replace this? How long did you put?
I
How
bought
old?
it 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago, maybe.
So tell me, what is the purpose of this one?
You can buy these. It keeps both tires even at 100 pounds. You can get them if you want them with 110 or 120 or 90. You get them at whatever. It's called Crossfire. See that name right there?
Yeah, Crossfire. Yeah. So
It pressurizes both tires completely even.
But
So
they-
they
but-
always wear
but
even.
they are not they are not repelling air. You just only
You still got to fill it yourself.
fill it yourself.
But I never fill my air at truck stop. Only on my own air hose over here.
Oh, you have an air hose?
You got it. You
Can I
have
see?
one of those? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get that one too. Oh, that one. Okay.
So you take your brake line off and you hook it to your brake line right here.
Remove that brake line over
Right
there.
here. And you
Yeah,
just-
and disconnect it here.
Yep.
And then you're just
And
gonna
then,
refill
then
it.
you go inside. You push your trailer brake in.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
that it pushes air. You'll see the hose. It'll crimp up with air.
You have this? Let me see this. I just wanna try to. I just wanna
They
look
have them
something.
in there, but this is probably the best one.
Yeah. This is accurate.
What?
This is accurate. I mean, the reading of this one is
No,
accurate.
it's accurate. Very
Oh,
accurate.
okay.
Yep. But here's the thing: when you do this right here, once you hook it up, you have to push the trailer brake in.
Yeah.
And
So that
and then what you have to do is take your hand and mash your brakes.
tinuturuan tayo guys. That one. Okay. That.
Now, when
So-
it goes down to 100, the compressor turns on. The
Oh,
compressor
okay.
turns on out there, and then you can top your wheels, your tires off. But the
Okay.
compressor has to be running for you to top them off.
Also, the compressor has to be running.
If it's running, this works just better than truck stop air.
So this one, this is the place you will going to put the thing,
Yeah, I take the lid
this
off.
one here. Oh, this one.
Yep.
Okay, so you're just gonna.
And if you get one of these, get one with. Hold this for me a minute.
Okay.
Look inside.
Oh yeah.
If you get one with threads on the inside,
Threads.
threads.
Oh yeah, there's a thread. Okay. Yeah.
When you put it on there, you just bend it just a little
Bend
with a
a little
fingertip,
bit, yeah.
and
So
it'll
that-
hold on. You don't gotta muscle it on there the whole time.
Yeah,
Just hold it. It's
Okay.
got to be threaded on the inside.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's,
Yep.
it's a big help.
I see you doing your thing. I never saw one like doing like that before. That's why I come to check. Hopefully to help me out too.
You're
Because I'm
probably, you're
thinking-
probably younger than I am, but this is good for the knees too while you're doing it.
You also have something for your knees, huh?
Yep.
When you.
And-
Oh yeah.
And
Good.
because the truck stop, people pee on the ground here. I write ground side on this, so I always take this
Oh yeah, you have
So-
everything in there set up, yeah.
side. Yeah,
That's good, man. Thank you for the.
it's working.
This one is my first time to see this kind of a
Yeah,
tire.
look it up. Look it up on YouTube.
Yeah.
Michelin Energy Grip.
Michelin Energy Grip I see. It's my first time to see this kind of tire, you know, from Michelin. Alright, thanks man for the help.
Alright,
Yeah, thanks for the video too. Okay. Take it easy there, okay? Ang galing naman niya. Kompleto siya guys, kompleto. Nakita ko kasi pag atras ko rito, lumipat kasi tayo rito. Nagtanong ako kasi gusto kong magkaroon ng ganun eh. Walang diskarte. Akala ko yung inilagay niya dito is automatic nagre-refill ng hangin. Hindi pala. Mas mahal pala yung ganon. Ayun o. Okay. Ayan. 27. Ayan guys. Punta muna ako sa loob. Mag-shower muna ako bago tayo tuluyang lumarga. Yes! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ellensburg. Ayan guys. Tara. Nandun si aalis na siya. Ay, mga gulong niya. At isip paano may idea ako. Ito trailer niya, nag-automatic nagre-refill yung mga trailer niyan. Nagre-refill yung mga ganyan. Ganyan ang gusto ko sana sa truck ko. Pwede ka magpalagay pero may kamahalan, sabi niya. Tsaka na pagbayad na si Cordato, tsaka tayo magpa-install ng gano'n. But anyway guys, maligo muna tayo bago tayo tuluyan dumiretso sa ating dideliveran. Malapit na rin dito eh. Mga isa't kalating oras na lang. Yun. Shower number 5. Number 5 40584. Ito. Yan. Alright. Okay. Post lock natin guys. Yan. Yan, shower muna tayo. Mag-shower muna. Alright guys, ayun, dalawa yung shower nila oh. Saan natin lahat? Yun, dalawang shower. Sabay na natin yan. Aligo muna tayo. Yes! Alright guys, yan. Tapos na tayo mag-shower. Tara. Alright guys, tara. Yes! Nawagan na ako pati yung aking dispatch. Anong oras daw ako makakarating doon sa dideliveran ko. Sabi ko naman, undawin na ako. Naantay ko lang yung oras ko eh. Hindi pa naman ako basta makakapag-drive kung wala akong driving hours. Anyway, 2 hours from now, andun na tayo. Tara!
Take the exit to US 97, then take the ramp on the right.
Ellensburg! Ellensburg Rodeo. Ellensburg, Washington. Pagi guys, pagi. Pagi.
Take the ramp on the right to I-90 west towards Seattle.
Grabe ka pagi. Handa lang tayo. Halos wala kang makita. Mga ano lang oh. 300 meter visibility lang oh. Kape-kape guys, kape-kape. Sana malagpasan natin tong pagi na to. Fog. The fog. parang hindi na niya ako kayang lagpasan eh. Unahin na natin, slow down tayo. Ayan. Para makadaan itong mga ito. Mga nandito. Ganun lang guys, pagka kasi ang truck ko naka limit lang sa 105 km per hour. May mga truck na ganyan talaga, ang limit lang ng truck. Ngayon, kapag parehas kayo ng speed at nagkasabay kayo, hindi na siya makakalagpas. So mararamdaman mo naman kung hindi na siya makakalagpas, bilang ikaw nandito sa right side, slow down ka na tulad ng ginawa ko. Balagpasin mo na siya. Mga ganyang distance, saka ngayon 105 ka na ngayon, 105 din siya, hindi mo na siya maabutan. Para itong mga nandito sa left side natin is hindi sila mabibwisit. Makakataan sila ng smooth. Ganyan lang guys, bigayan lang. Hindi po pwede rito yung pairalin yung rages o init ng ulo. Minsan may mga ganun eh. But anyway, in-advise ko lang sa inyo guys, kapag ka may gustong tumawid, lumagpas sa inyo, magbigyan nyo na para iwas din aksidente. Well guys, tuloy-tuloy lang ako, medyo foggy, kaya ingat lang. Okay guys, ayan, after 1 hour drive, we are now here in Seattle, Washington. Yes! At ang temperature dito guys is plus 15, mainit. Kausap ko kanina si Mrs. Temperature sa Winnipeg ngayon guys 24. Feels like minus 30 na naman ang lamig daw. Napapasalamat na lang ako dahil dito talaga nila ako pinadala. Hindi nila ako pinabalik ng Winnipeg. Dire-diretsoin ko na to guys. So today is December 12. Mayroon pa akong 11 days to go. Kulang-kulang o 2 linggo pa bago makauwi sa bahay kasi December 23 yung ating request na day off, no? 23 to January 3rd. Ayan guys. Kaya sulitin natin ang ating bakasyon sa pag-uwi. Hindi na ako bibiyahe. Yung mga hindi na ako hihingi sa kanila ng mga short run. Sulitin ko na yung 10 days ko sa bahay. At balak ko rin itong truck natin, ipalinis ko yung DPF niya, magpapa grease loop tayo, at truck wash ko na rin para pagbalik natin sa January malinis siya. At higit sa lahat, magpapapalit tayo ng differential oil. Pa-differential oil tayo. Differential oil change. Yan. Yes! December na guys. Tatlong buwan na lang sa March. 5 taon na tayong owner operator, pero hindi ko pa mababayaran ng truck ko sa March. Kasi nga sa mga lason, lagi kong sinasabi, ang truck ko is nung kinuha ko to, mayroon pang 3 buwan na grace period na walang bayad. So March, April, May, June. Tapos meron akong 2 buwan na hindi nagbayad nung nakabangga ko ng MOS sa mga nakasunod. Kasi 1 buwan yung truck ko doon sa pagawaan. Yun. March, April, May, June, July, August siguro. Buwan ng August, yan, fully paid na natin si Cordapia. Fully paid na si Cordapia. Maraming salamat. Nasusubaybayan yung buhay ng Lakay Tracker, buhay ng owner operator. Huwag kayong matakot mag-owner operator guys. Hindi po kayo ay walang alam sa pagmimikaniko. mag-aalala kayo, yung mga buzzer natin na nanggagaling magsalita na sabi, wala daw akong alam sa maintenance ng truck ko, hindi daw ako marunong magmekano. Ano naman ngayon, pero kahit paano nakita nyo naman, hanggang ngayon still standing pa rin ang Lakay Tracker. Nakasurvive pa rin ako ng 4 years and 9 months na, 10 months na ngayon kasi December na. 4 years and 10 months. Ay guys, pagkatapos niya, yan, umalis na siya. Tayo naman, alis din yung isa. Sakto, maluwag-luwag tayo doon. Ngayon, i-atras ko, paalisin ko muna siya. Buksan muna natin. Buksan ko muna yung aking reaper para dire-diretso ng atras to. Buksan muna natin. Para dire-diretsuhan na. Hindi basta-basta matanggal ito kung hindi mo siya martilyohin Meron talagang specific pangkat dito, pero ba't ko pa kailangan yun? Meron pwede naman discount yung ganito. Diba? Saka ako ilagay ngayon dito. Yan lang yung pangarga ko guys. Kapraso. Sunod-sunod ang pag-alis nila. Tama-tama. Mas madali kung may atras doon. Okay. Kasos. Yan. Yung isa lang talaga ang walang kasos. Yan. Wala walang kasos. Na-report ko naman na. Bahala na sila kung paano gagawin dyan. Tara, atras tayo. Dahan-dahan. Oops, yun. Marjas makatras na ako. Pagantay na lang ulit tayo sa kanila para ibigay sa akin yung papel. Linisin din natin to.
The other paper that is a small paper that you sign and rip off. Let's put in another paper that I'm supposed to sign.
I give you everything.
I know. That's all I have. And 2 envelopes. That's it. That's all I have. Where do I sign it?
Or just give me 1 copy and then sign it. I guess the bill of lading. That's the only thing in the envelope. They don't give me anything from the meat inspection. They don't give me anything. So
They didn't give you anything?
yeah, all the
Yeah.
paper is in the yellow envelope. You can print one in there if you have
I'll
some
sign
paper.
this one.
And just give me one.
one. I'll sign on the bottom and date and make you copy, okay?
Yeah, let me see which one you can give me. Bill of lading.
All of this.
All of it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
So
up
I
to you.
sign one page and then the rest of it is yours.
Okay.
And I keep the copy. I'll give you the copy and this is mine.
Oh yeah, sure.
I don't have the other one.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
I'll be back.
Alright. Guys, tapos na. Antayin ko na lang ibigay nila sa akin yung papel. Mag-move na ako dito bro. Wala, mag-move na tayo dito. Can I move now?
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos sarado natin. Bubog na tayo sarado kunin yung papel. Tapos punta na tayo dun sa pick up natin. Meron na rin ako agad-agad pick up Binigay na sa atin yung pick up natin agad guys. Kaya hindi na tayo dapat pa magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Alright guys, tara. Patayin ko na to. make sure natin walang laman para wala tayong problema. Walang laman. Ito, meron ito. Andun yung dalawa, nakikita ko. Pahugas tayo ng trailer. Okay, there you go. Tara. Alright guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Portland. Inabot pa ako dun ng 30 minutes guys. Gawa nga ng yung bill of lading, hindi pala na ipasama doon sa envelope. Walang itinira o ibinigay ang meat inspection. But anyway, ini-email naman ng Sunrise yung ini-email ng customer yung bill of lading sa kanila. Kaya na-print nila, kaya nakuha ko na rin dito na. Ngayon, dadaan muna tayo rito sa pahugasan. After ko magpahugas, diretso tayo sa pipikapan natin sa Hillsboro. Tapos pag pick up ko, diretso na ako agad sa sa Calgary, Alberta ulit. Ito lang yung iniikot na. Tignan nyo guys, ang temperature dito ngayon 17 degrees, mainit. Kaya ang sarap mag-drive dito. Ang saya ko nga dahil kita mo, nandito ako sa mainit na lugar. Doon sa Manitoba, Winnipeg, Saskatchewan na grabe daw ngayon ng lamig, sabi ni Mrs. dun sa Manitoba. Si Kuya Orlen, nakausap ko rin, sabi niya malamig daw din dyan sa Saskatoon, malamig daw sa Saskatchewan. Salamat talaga ako. Bawi-bawi tayo, bawi-bawi. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako, pahugas muna tayo tapos diretso tayo doon. Alright guys, yan. Pahugas muna tayo rito. Yes! Turk Enterprise. Trailer wash.
Yeah. What's the truck number
2098
and the trailer?
1470.
Okay, 1470.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a 59.
Yeah, just a wash out only. How much?
59.
Perfect. 2460 right here. There you go. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meron pa akong 320 na ibibigay kay Mrs. Wash out only, my friend, okay? Yes! Alright, 59. Okay. Alright guys, ayan, dito tayo sa Portland, Oregon ha. Ayan, after this, tinitira na ni Bossing. After this, atras na lang ako dun sa pipikapan ko. Ang pick up ko dun is parang bandang alas 4 ng hapon, alas 2 pa lang naman. Kaya maaga tayo makakarating. Antayin ko lang ito, mula dito hanggang doon is mga 30 minutes drive na lang, lapit na. Alright guys, yan, loaded na tayo. Inaabot na ako ng gabi. Inaabot na tayo ng gabi. lalagyan natin to. Yan, okay na yan. Hindi naman po, no? Tama-tama. Hindi tayo mag-o-over. Hindi tayo mag-o-over sa timbang. Alright guys, yan. Tapos ilagay ko ito, tapos kunin ko yung papel. Tapos maghanap tayo ng ano guys, maghanap tayo ng pagtutulugan natin. Pagpatuloy natin bukas. Tara, kunin ko yung papel doon. Alright guys, ayan. Putulin ko na yung vlog na natin dito guys. Gabi na rin naman. Patuloy na lang natin bukas ulit yung ating panibagong yugto ng ating vlog. Thank you for watching guys. Ingat kayo lagi. I-stays lang, makakauwi rin ng Lakay Tracker. Tapusin ko na itong hanggang 23. Guys, thank you for watching. Kunin ko lang yung papel doon. Nakaalis ako, maghanap ako ng tutulugan ko. Bye guys. Lakay Tracker.